Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to show you how to make the refreshing and eye-catching virgin mojito recipe with those tiny marble-like juicy and tangy blueberries. Yes, I'm going to make blueberry virgin mojito. Virgin in the sense it is without alcohol. Usually mojitos are made with lemon, mint leaf, soda and rum, so they are alcoholic, whereas virgin mojitos are made with lemon, mint leaves and soda but without rum, and hence they are non-alcoholic. They are otherwise called mojitos. Friends, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do it right away and enable the bell icon to get notified when I upload my new videos. Now come, let's get on to the recipe. Let's start with a glass decoration. I have taken 3 teaspoons of white sugar. Just spread it over a plate like this. This is edible luster dust. I have taken purple colored dust. These are used to decorate cakes and desserts. I wanted to, try something new to make my mocktail glass look colorful. So I'm going to use this. Mix it with the sugar. Spread it flat with a spoon like this way. Now take water in a plate. And this is the glass in which I'm going to make the mojito. So dip the rim of the glass into the water like this. And you have to shake off the excess water and press the rim of the glass into the sugar and luster dust and rotate gently to ensure even coating throughout the glass, the rim of the glass. Now done. It looks pretty, right? So just keep it aside. And these are blueberries. I have taken fresh blueberries. Take another glass and add 50 grams of blueberries into it. This is super fine quick dissolved sugar. I usually use this for baking and juicing. And if you don't have this, you can use the regular sugar, white sugar you can use. Now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of super fine sugar into this glass with the blueberries and muddle them well, but never put them in a mixer because we don't want that smooth paste like pulp. We need some bits and pieces of the blueberries to be seen at the bottom of the glass for this mojito recipe. Now put 2 slices of lemon followed by 5 to 6 mint leaves, and you have to muddle again. Muddle thoroughly, and now it's done. It's ready. You can transfer this into the decorated mojito glass. Slowly pour the muddled blueberry, lemon and mint pulp into the glass. Do it very slowly. See that the pulp doesn't touch the rim of the sugar decorated glass. Otherwise it will get completely messed up. So pour it very gently. Now drop around 6 to 7 ice cubes. We add more ice cubes for this recipe so that the layers don't get mixed together. Now place a lime slice at the side of the glass. Stick it well. This is blueberry flavored sweet soda. This is actually goli soda. It tastes really good and the flavor is awesome. You can use any soda of your choice. Pour the soda over the ice cubes very slowly so that the soda doesn't get mixed up with the bottom pulpy layer. You can use any brand of your choice. Once it's done, you can see the purple, green and yellow colored bottom as we have muddled the blueberries, mint leaves and lemon, and the blue colored soda on top will form a separate layer and the entire juice glass would look absolutely beautiful. You can just see. Now place a mocktail umbrella on top and serve immediately before the soda stops popping up. There you go, a super delicious and refreshing summer drink, virgin blueberry mojito is ready. Friends, please give this drink recipe a shot and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and share this recipe with your family and friends. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.